Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and here's today's tech tip. If you haven't heard, Microsoft has ended support for Windows 10. This just happened on October 14th, 2025, and if you're using Windows 10, you're exposing yourself to any vulnerability bad actors find in your operating system. How can you tell whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11? In the lower left-hand corner of your screen, you're going to see a little Windows button. If it's blue, you're probably using Windows 11. If it's black, you're probably using Windows 10. If you want to make sure, just right click on that little window shaped button and then left click where it says System, scroll down, and right here you can see what edition of Windows you're using. If you're not using Windows 11, you're going to want to upgrade to Windows 11 or get yourself a new computer. If you live in the Memphis, Cordova, Bartlett, Germantown, Oakland, Arlington, Collierville, Millington, or Eads, Tennessee area, and you need a computer expert to come to your home and help you solve your computer problems, feel free to give me, Dave Bensman, a ring at 901-830-4362. Mention ad code PC Perfect for 10% off your first visit.